Do not forget your edges. Y'all can tell me why in the comments. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Hey. First things first, let me address the elephant in the room. If you all follow me on my community tab, you did see a post where I posted some lightener and some developer. So many of you were so concerned. Girl, don't do it. Girl, go see a professional. Girl, don't use no metal. First of all, let me say that I genuinely appreciate that all of y'all ride for me and my hair. Second of all, you all already know how I feel about the DIY culture. Like I'm not in that. I love that for y'all, but that don't work for me. Just know that yes, I did lighten a portion of my hair, but I want you all to know that everything is fine. It was processed by a licensed cosmetologist. I've mentioned on my channel a few times how my natural hair color is just ashy, and that I typically color my hair with a permanent black dye, which is exactly what I did this time. However, I've also been recently inspired and mildly obsessed with the peekaboo pop of color that Yara Shahidi has in her curly fro. So that's all I did, y'all. It's literally but I did it on both sides. I'll be sure to show you all my little peekaboo highlight situation later on in the video, but that is not what this video is about. Today, we're finally going to be trying our Melanin hair care leave-in deep conditioner, pre-poo, rinse out, detangler, styling cream, leave-in thing. So I got my box from Melanin Hair Care earlier this week, and I have been waiting to share this moment with you all. Just know that me coloring my hair was the only thing that delayed me in trying this sooner. I wanted to make sure that my hair was good and dirty, because that's just when color works the best, at least from my experience. So let's open her up. So the first thing that I see when I open the box is this cute little note card with Whitney on it. And this just has some social media background information on it that I'm not going to read. Love you though, girl. There's also another little postcard that has some information about all of the products in the Melanin Hair Care line. And then on the other side of it, it has the information specifically about the new multi-use softening leave-in conditioner. Our moisture-rich leave-in conditioner is designed to soften, smooth, instantly detangle your knots, and help to repair your hair from the inside out, from roots to ends. The luxurious formula contains some of the most effective hair strengthening and conditioning agents on the market. Provitamin B5, bamboo extract, wheat amino acids, and hydrolyzed wheat proteins to strengthen, fortify, and reduce breakage while rebuilding from the inside out. The turnip root extract, white leaf tea extract, rosemary leaf extract, hops extract, chamomile, aloe vera, argan oil, baobab seed oil, jojoba, and spearmint work to instantly hydrate, soften, condition, promote the elasticity and flexibility of the hair, stimulate hair growth, reduce hair fall, increase shine, and create a healthy scalp environment for continuous healthy hair growth and manageability. You know she is not finna play with you all in these ingredients. This leave-in conditioner has no silicones, no parabens, no sulfates, no phthalates, no petroleums, and no mineral oil. She also included the notorious Melanin lollipop, so come see me, Sheree. Hopefully you got one this time. And finally, here is this 16.1 fluid ounce blessing. Of course, if you follow Whitney, you know that this minimalistic packaging is right on brand. Of course, you've already seen the thousands of videos that people have been putting up about the conditioner. To use, it says it can be used for so many different ways. As a conditioner, apply to wet hair, then rinse away. As a leave-in conditioner, apply to wet hair and style as usual. As a detangler, apply to wet or dry hair and work through with fingertips to gently remove knots and shed hair. As a daily moisturizer, apply to wet or dry hair and work in. Myself, I'm going to be using this as a deep conditioner that I'm just not going to rinse out. So it's going to be a deep conditioner turned leave-in, because shipping was $10. Granted, it was shipped through UPS, and once I got my tracking number, I got it within like a day or two, but like shipping was still $10. Like I'm not I'm not gonna rinse this out. I'm pretty sure you all already know that this was $18.99. I'll be sure to leave a little more information with regards to the ingredients and where you can find the products in the description box. For now, let's go ahead and get into using this. My hair is freshly cleansed. My hair has no color damage. So as far as opening this, what I love is she has a lock on the pump. So you're not gonna lose your products. That was almost $30. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to unlock the pump, and let's go ahead and I just got it on the floor. So I'm gonna be careful and pump, and that is what it's looking like. It's it feels really light. And it smells like double mint gum. This feels really light, guys. I am concernment. I am concernment. Let me section my hair. Let's do that, because maybe that'll make me feel like I'm getting a little more of a concentrated feeling. All right, so now that I have my hair sectioned off, it's still pretty, my hair is still up pretty damp. I'm gonna start with a few pumps, and it's very lightweight. It's very lightweight. It's very lightweight. That's all I have so far. I feel oils in it, but like, it's really hard to explain because it doesn't feel like much on my hair, but at the same time I'm still able to get some slip from it. I'm going to add some more, and like, even if you like look at it, like, it doesn't stay super creamy. It kind of dissipates as you rub it in. Okay, I don't want to jump to conclusions, but it's really light. That's about all I have for you all right now. So that was the application with finger detangling, but I also want to see how it works with a wide tooth comb and a detangling brush. So I'm going to try that out on the other sections. And again, we ain't wasting no product here, because this ain't cheap. And I'm going to add a good bit of it. Everybody has been loving this. I don't know about this one. I feel like my tangles are melting away, but I also feel like I'm just putting like lotion on my hair at the same time. It's really complicated. I don't know. So now I'm gonna go in with my wide tooth comb. I don't understand. I don't understand it. I'm trying to think of a product that's comparable, and I am incapable. It's just that lightweight of a conditioner. But the slip is undeniable. The real test is going to be how my hair feels after I let the conditioner sit, and how long the moisture from the leave-in lasts, because like, as I keep reiterating, this is so light, and I have confusion. All right, same thing. Gonna go in, and it looks like I'm using a lot because I am. I'm going in with more. Yes, I am. Like the slip is there. It just is. It just is. But I feel like the moisture just might not last for me just because of how light this conditioner is. Also, like, I want all my conditioners now. All right. I'm eager to see how this feels after I let it sit. I'm probably going to let it sit for about 30 minutes. All right, so I'm finished applying it. I'm going to go cover my hair with a plastic bag or a plastic cap, whichever one I grab first. And I'm going to let it sit for about 30 minutes. And I'm not rinsing it out. I'm not. I'll come back and describe to you all how my hair feels, because right now, I don't know if I'm really convinced. But I'm going to let this sit under a plastic cap for about 30 minutes and see if I feel any different. All right, letting it sit has definitely made me feel like it's more moisturizing and hydrating. My hair feels softer and smoother, and just all around it just feels a lot better than it did when I first applied it. So I would definitely recommend letting it really sit and penetrate in your strands. Also, after letting it sit, I can really feel the spearmint, and you all know how I love to have a scalp tingle. Now, because I meant what I said when I said what I had said when I said it, I'm going to leave this in. Yes, honey, this is going to be a full experience with the Melanin hair care, okay? So we've already seen how it works as a deep conditioner. My hair definitely feels soft and buttery, but now that I'm using it as a leave-in, I'm going to let my hair dry down for a few hours and style just like I would usually on damp hair. So I'm going to let my hair dry down for a couple of hours and style on damp hair as usual, and then I'll report back with my final thoughts on the Melanin multi-use leave-in conditioner. So we'll address how my layers have pretty much already grown out at a later date. For now, these are my final results. I did pair it with a styler. I'm not going to tell you what it was because that's irrelevant. The bottom line is that it combined really well with the styler, and my hair is still really soft and moisturized under the styler. I do want to also add that I did add oil to my hair to take it down. I did that mainly for shine. I didn't really get the luster or the shine that was promised with the leave-in, so I did add a little bit of oil when I took down my hair. As you can see, I did use a decent amount of product, and I did have to slather it on because I just felt like it wasn't doing nothing. Like, honestly, I don't see how so many people were blown away with the moisture when they applied it. That just wasn't necessarily my experience. But the slip, honey, the slip is undeniable. This is probably one of the most slippery conditioners that I've ever tried. I also really love the scent and the tingle that comes with this. I also really love that you get so much product. So yes, it's $18.99, and yes, the shipping is ridiculous, but you get so much product. I can see why so much product was provided considering all of the uses that it potentially gives you. But personally, I'm not going to be using this as a rinse out conditioner or as a pre-poo or even as a daily moisturizer. I don't moisturize my hair daily, and this was a little too pricey for me to use and then rinse out. As a deep conditioner, I love it. As a leave-in, I like it, but I'm still going to have to see how it lasts throughout the next couple of days. The bottom line being, if you want to support and invest in this product, definitely go ahead and grab it. I don't regret purchasing it, but I'm going to have to see over the next couple of days if it's going to be worth a repurchase. What I'll do is I'll leave an update either in the description box or I'll leave it as a pinned comment underneath of the video. So you all already know to drop down in the comments and let me know your thoughts. Have you picked this up or are you going to? Did you miss the pre-sale? Was it just a little too pricey for you? We're going to talk about it. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.